Present progressive negative. Lauren is on vacation. She is not working. She is not going to meetings. She isn't looking at a computer. She's not answering her phone. She is just relaxing. Notice all of the negative present progressive forms. To form the negative in the present progressive, we add not between the be verb and the ing verb. Is not working, is not going. And we also use contractions. Isn't looking, and she's not answering. Remember the three ways to form negative be. Add not, make a contraction. And there are two kinds of contractions. The first is with the pronoun in is, like it is becomes its. And the second is with the be verb and not. So is not becomes isn't. It's the same be verb we use in the present progressive. Here is an example. He is playing the guitar. We can make sentences in the negative present progressive three ways. The first way, he is not playing the piano. The second way, he's not playing the drums. And the third way, he isn't playing the saxophone. The first way has not. The second way has a contraction. And the third way also has a contraction. But notice the be verb we can make contractions. Playing never changes. Here we see more negative sentences. They are walking on the beach. They are not wearing shoes. They aren't talking. The sun isn't shining. Now you try. What are the three ways to make it negative? He is walking home. Let's say the verb is drive. What are the three negative sentences you can write? The first way, he is not driving. Second way, he's not driving. Third way, he isn't driving. What are the three ways to make this negative? This time the subject is they. Let's say they are playing in the water, not swimming. What are the three ways? First way, they are not swimming. Second way, they're not swimming. And the third way, they aren't swimming. One more. What are the three ways? You are studying grammar. Let's say, not playing games. You are not playing games. You're not playing games. You aren't playing games. Okay, what is wrong? Liz not looking at the gift. Can you see the mistake? There is no be verb. We need a be verb for the present progressive. Liz is not looking at the gift. Present progressive always has be. What is wrong with this? They're flying. It sounds right, but there's something wrong. This is the wrong word. They're flying is incorrect. We want they're flying. This there is the contraction of they and are. It sounds just like the other there, but don't forget you need the be verb to make the present progressive. What is wrong? She isn't liking the cold weather. Well, if you remember, don't use verbs like in the present progressive. There are some verbs we don't use, like, know, remember, understand, are just a few of them. She doesn't like the cold weather. In this lesson, you learned add not to form the negative in the present progressive. The sun is not shining. They're not wearing shoes. They aren't talking. And remember, there are 3 ways. You can add not, the whole word, is not shining. You can make a contraction, they're not wearing. And you can make another kind of contraction, they aren't talking.